It's been a minute since I got out and did anything for you guys. Man, I've been just living my life and enjoying my life right here where I'm at in my little small square of the earth. And today is a rainy, kind of cold day. You can see the steam coming out of my unit floating into the air. And I'm out here on the Trampa. This is my only PEV that I feel comfortable with getting out here in a little light rain. And I'm geared up in my waterproof motorcycle gear. But I'm out here this morning so I can make sure that my chickens are taken care of and that they're nice, secure, and protected out here in this rainy weather. And also to collect whatever eggs I need to get from a chicken coop. So I'm out here on the Trampa Big Buy in the rain with my Insta 360 X4. Good morning, my lovely chicken dude. Yeah, but the Trampa, man, I've gotten out here in the Trampa so many different in so many different weather conditions, and she's still going like a champ. This process is one that takes a little time and effort and patience. Get the eggs now, and then I'm gonna come back later with some feed, which is a few minutes. Some box. Got another egg down in there. Then I have a hen right here. She's sitting on eggs to be hatched as a little for little baby chickens. One of my little young hens, she hasn't figured out where to put her eggs yet, and so occasionally I have to come around here and find her eggs, and these little secret places. I will be back with some scratch for you, ladies. I thank you for your generous contribution of eggs. It's strange that I'm out here while it's actually raining, but the Trampa, man, just woo, even in the rain. Oh yeah. Not too much of a struggle. Thank goodness I've gotten used to riding my Trampa, and I've had enough falls and spin outs and etc. Guess what I'm back with, guys? That's right, you guessed it. Your favorite, guys. I have your favorite. That's right. It's scratch time. Get some back here. A little bit. I got the scratch down, and now it's time to get the feed. And I see a few chickens are about to lay some more eggs for me. Generally, that's the case. I check it normally one time a day, which is later over in the afternoon. But today, I just wanted to get out here because it was rainy and wet on the Trampa. So, I don't know what you guys been up to out there in your PEV world, but in mine, I've been enjoying my devices and trying not to, jump into trying to buy the newest, latest, greatest, because I still haven't fully explored what I have yet. And I still haven't explored the board that I have to the fullest yet. And so, believe it or not, I've had this Trampa Big Buy now going on maybe 2 or 3 years or something like that. And it still has the same vest settings on it that it had when I first got it. because I said if it ain't broke, why fix it? And it's doing everything that I need for it to do. I know there's probably new settings that make riding more efficient, etc., etc. But those powerful vests and motors on the Trampa, man, those things, man, they're just like, I don't know. It's the toughest thing I've ever ridden as far as a small little board. That's a wonderful thing to be able to get out and explore and enjoy nature and see the survival process, or experience the survival process by being a part of it your own self, you know. A lot of you young guys probably wasn't exposed to this type of lifestyle when growing up, and so that you probably don't know much about it. But me, gardening and you know, and doing things around home that mimic the natural way of living is something that I thoroughly enjoy doing, and I try to keep it into the equation of things that I do. Out that time. That run was just to get my tires clean before I go in. But hope all of you guys are doing well, as I said earlier. I pull up to my door.